We all want to save money on our utility bills, right? Well, the answer may be under your feet, literally. It's called geothermal energy, and it uses the natural warmth of the ground to heat and cool your home. Nearly half of the solar energy that reaches the Earth remains stored in the ground at a constant temperature of about 55 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on your location. A geothermal heat pump taps into this energy to provide heat in the winter and cooling in the summer. Here's how it works. A geothermal heat pump system consists of three main parts. A heat exchanger, or simply a loop of pipes buried underground to transfer energy to and from the system. A heat pump, usually located inside the home, and a heating and cooling distribution system, such as a traditional forced air system or a radiant floor hydronic heating system. When it's cold outside, the ground loop collects the heat from the earth and pumps it up through the Bosch geothermal heat pump to your home. And because the Bosch geothermal heat pump simply moves heat from the earth to your home, it generates as much as $3 to $4 of heat for every dollar spent on electricity. Compare this to a traditional gas furnace, which only generates 65 to 95 cents of heat for every dollar spent on fossil fuels. Now, when it gets hot outside, the Bosch geothermal heat pump collects the heat from your home and pumps it to the much cooler earth below. Thanks to this constant temperature of the earth, a geothermal heat pump is twice as efficient as air conditioners or air-to-air heat pumps. And because the geothermal heat pump simply pumps heat to and from the earth, it has virtually no impact on the environment. Even the United States Environmental Protection Agency recognizes geothermal systems as the most energy efficient, environmentally clean, and cost-effective space conditioning systems available. A Bosch geothermal heat pump is the smartest way to heat and cool your home, and here's why. With a Bosch geothermal heat pump, you can save up to 70% on your monthly heating and cooling bills by using the clean, renewable energy right under your feet. The system is engineered for quiet operation inside your home with no noisy outdoor equipment. Geothermal systems provide clean, renewable heating and cooling energy. Bosch geothermal heat pumps are backed by one of the best warranties in the industry, and the pipe used in most systems is designed to give up to 50 years of reliable service. Bosch geothermal heat pumps can also be packaged with other Bosch products, such as solar photovoltaic panels, to completely zero out your utility bill. To learn more about the benefits, tax incentives, and savings, visit boschgeo.com or contact your local Bosch geothermal representative.
Bosch, invented for life.